way we do it, Avery looks to the right, he says, Challenger, and I had to practically not get run over.
I mean, come on, that was kind of obvious. That was hard to hide. You know, it's just right up there for God and everybody. Oh.
What's your favorite car out here?
The same one I got in high school, 70 GTO.
Ooh.
Still under the garage. Well,
Okay.
There's one out there, but that's not it.
Okay.
I've got a few of them. Like I said, I got a little bit of everything. It's like your car, rusty floors. I think Mopar and Rust are one of the.
God, what's with
They
them?
come together. They did a shitty job.
I think
of sealing them up.
they did, right.
Let's leave everything bare metal because it won't rust.
That's cool. I like
That's
that.
a 3AT car also.
Huh.
Yeah, I want to put floors in it and build a nasty car. That's got a lot of potential. You should know what that is if you have a 68 Charger.
Well, you know what? I have a 68 Charger. I'm not exactly a perfect car guy, so I'm... What's
Boy.
this?
That is a 39 Studebaker. Yeah, I had to have it. I don't think you get any more bullet holes in it, but
Yeah,
it is cool.
awesome.
I collected parts, trying to put it together. Maybe do some stuff to it, make a nasty little rat rod.
Yes.
It's got great lines.
Yes, it does. Wow. I don't know if I've seen that before.
Isn't that neat? It's sitting on an S10 chassis with Chevy rallies.
Huh.
I mean, if you cleaned it up and straightened everything out, it would be neat. It'd be neat as hell.
Right. We're like patina. I am anyway. Patina.
You like patina?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do to a point.
Yeah. Well, what's this?
That's a 74 Challenger. I'm putting all the stuff on.
Ooh. Wow.
All
And
the
it's
stuff
actually
on that
nicer.
one,
It's
just
nicer than the other one.
swap onto it.
Somebody cut weird patches out of the floor there, which I don't know why. And I believe it was a 4-speed car. See where that big piece of metal's missing in the front there,
Yeah.
in the floor in the middle?
Yeah.
There's a big console up that goes in there for the 4-speeds or something. So, that's actually pretty solid compared to the other one. It came out of Yakima.
Okay. I like this oddball green color. I think it's fun.
Okay, that's the word I'd use.
I mean, you know.
It's probably gonna be a pink. European like that. She would love to have that iridescent, fluorescent kind of pink color. She's not a really hot pink fan, but she kind of likes the different colors. And she likes the original pink. She loves those. And you know, she wasn't in the picture. I'd have been doing something that was pretty. Oh, $19,000. Ridiculous. That's the pink. That's the original pink.
I like the stripe.
Yeah, it's a reflective stripe color like the Mustangs had.
Right. That's
That
cool.
one should be kind of reflective. That's a 73 GTO, one of 2600.
Wow. Look at that. That is sleek, man.
There's a 66.
Now, are these getting desirable too, or?
Yeah, they're just now becoming a little more desirable because nobody can afford all the others.
Sure. Right.
Yeah, they hold their value. They're not nothing like the earlier GTOs, but they're all right. That's a 66 Carrera.
We love Celicas.
Oh, so did you, the 71, 73, somewhere there?
Yeah, up to 77. This is cool. I like this.
Yeah.
That's cute. That's small.
I don't fit the damn thing. He's skinny, and I still don't think he'd fit in there because he's tall.
Cute little
They don't
steering
have
wheel
a lot
on it
of
too.
room in there. They're tiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna be limited on what he gets. Most of the cars didn't have a lot of room back then either.
Okay, let's take a peek at the Firebird.
There's another.
Oh, okay.
What was that,
Yeah,
Datsun
yeah.
pickup?
Unfortunately, my eyes, I can walk right past them.
Really?
Yeah.
See, that's my problem when I drive around.
Yeah. Okay.
I wish I could just miss all that stuff. My yard would be a lot cleaner.
This is pretty cute too. I like this one a lot.
Same one. Exact same body. I went down to get parts off of it. Well, that's kind of done. Just buy the whole thing. 65 or 66 Chevy panel with a 460
Huh.
and a C6. You get the drag racing, you get all the brake stuff. The whole inside's got all the stickers and racing and shit. That's pretty cool. I bought it because I got some other Camaro parts I grew up in West Florida. That's a 75 CJ5. It's just mocked up. There's no running gear or nothing.
Okay.
But they gotta be worth anywhere from 1,000. I've seen the shells just for 200 or 300 just to put on.
They're cool. I'm surprised more people aren't into them, you know?
No, they are.
Okay.
But everybody wants the CJ7, which is a little bit longer, more leg room, newer.
Was that a Mustang you missed?
Yes, 67 notchback. I'm right now gonna buy a 70 Fathom Green Mach 1.
Cool.
But it's just a shell that's gonna do it, and the suspension and most of the body parts. No interior.
Well, I think out of all the cars, the Satellite's
Yeah,
my
that's
favorite.
sweet. Yeah.
Out of your,
Did that one have an engine and stuff?
318.
318?
Yeah, I don't have an engine in it. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, this I traded a buddy of mine who did paint work and body work on his car. Open that door. Okay, look in there. The floor is solid. That's really good shape.
Okay.
It was in a trucking magazine, I guess. Look at all the custom paint work on the door.
Yeah.
From what I was told. Now, just shut the door lightly and listen. No, you don't have to touch it. Just,
Yeah, right.
that's solid.
Yeah.
This is a damn nice. This is
What year is this?
55. Tongue and groove. Tongue and groove.
Yep.
And then these strips hold everything down.
Okay, I didn't.
That's all there is to it.
I wasn't really paying attention. I looked in the back and I thought it was rusted through. I don't remember.
No, you can do whatever you want. You can put any kind of wood or put metal in there if you want. That's what you're gonna do with it. As light as these are in the SN, you might be funny enough to put metal in that. Weight it down.
Well, wow, this is nice. You have a surplus of friggin' slicks. That's for dang sure.
Well, they have a tire drop over there. The guy over there grabbed a push it for them. And they're full race.
Yeah, I like
You
that.
have to see cars, you gotta put
Yes.
that is a 39 Plymouth Slantback. You ever heard of LeMay?
LeMay, yeah.
LeMay, they have the museum in Fort Plymouth.
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay, and he had a garbage company. He used to have auctions. And the first one they had, this was there. It's got a 9-inch Ford, strange axles, narrowed Fat Man Mustang 2 front end, and 2x3 and 2x4 frame rails. Me and my buddy made the frame.
Wow.
It was done by 2003. It's been sitting here. Airbags all the way around. Yeah.
Jeez.
65 bucks. 66. Party tub.
Is that a Datsun pickup?
No, Toyota.
Toyota.
82.
What kind of wagon is that?
That's a 70 Malibu. It's like the 300 series or something. It's not the,
What's the best wagon?
well, if you can find one, they don't make a two-door in that, which would be nice.
Oh.
Most of them, there would be the Nomad, would be my preference. And they still make them.
That we don't get to go to. So, what year are your bugs?
The one is a 68 automatic.
The
The yellow
whitish.
one is a 72 or
Oh, okay.
73. I think it's not the Super Beetle, or if it is, it's, I don't know. There's something weird about there. It's like right there.
I don't know beetles at all.
Super Beetle's a little bit bigger. It's got the what's the? I'm trying to think of the name. It's more of a McPherson struts in the front. It's got a better suspension. Better handling.
Pickup way over
Yes.
there? I have an
two.
81 Datsun. I love any sort of signage.
Yeah. Maybe I should pull that door off. So.
It's too deteriorated, but whatever. These
41 Ford pickup. That's a 41 pickup with the wrong hood. Here's a 40 Ford pickup kit.